Good morning. Today is June 25th, and I have I guess you would call it a rant. I was listening to an interview with Chris Cormier and Michael Hearn, and Chris Cormier used the concept of microwaveable muscle. And I thought that really made me think, and I think I like the concept of it. And what does it mean? I see kids in here come and go, and I see adults come and go. And I think part of the reason why they go is because they are not getting instant results. They expect their whole life to be quick, like a microwave. I hate to sound like an old man, but when I was younger, life wasn't instant. We had 3 TV stations. I couldn't get my muscle magazines, until a month had passed, and we understood that nothing came quickly. There were no microwaves. Your TV dinner took 45 minutes to cook in the oven. And I think we learned patience better. Nothing was served to us instantly. Today, everybody wants something right now. When it comes to fitness, weight loss, or any goal, it is not instant. Here's the next fallacy, and that is that in this microwaveable economy and life we live, that somehow you can speed things up. And in the fitness world, you can speed things up with performance-enhancing drugs. It's a fallacy on a number of different levels, because when you take PEDs, you still have to eat a lot to support it. You have to sleep, and you have to know how to train correctly. Well, as I said before, all you're going to get is an empty wallet, acne, hair loss, small balls, bitch tits. Nobody's really going to be able to tell that you've done anything. There are no shortcuts. It doesn't work that way. Muscle takes time to build. You can put on a lot of water weight, and with weight loss, you can lose a lot of water weight quick, but it's not fat loss, and it's not muscle gain. On the other side of it, Ozempic, Mounjaro, all those drugs. I've had a couple clients use them. They feel awful. They lose weight. Then they go back to eating the way they used to. So what good did that do? Just like everything, it takes work. If you're using Ozempic, you need to learn to fix your eating so that when you're off Ozempic, you hit the weight that is healthy, that you don't go back to the way you used to do it. You can't go back to a microwavable life of fast food, quick answers. Yeah, we have Google in front of us. We can get all the answers we want. But you can ask 10 people, you're going to get 10 different answers. So you've got to learn what works for you. Everybody's body is different. Physiology, personal chemistry, genetics. So you got to find a solution that works for you, or find somebody who can help you get onto that path. I think we would be a lot better off if we could slow things down. Take the cell phones and iPads out of the hands of kids. Make them look things up for themselves. Can't buy everything instantly. Now granted, I love Amazon because I hate shopping. I really hate going somewhere to shop. So I do like that. But we have to take our children With our kids, you just need to slow everything down and manage expectations. Constantly pound in your head that nothing is free, nothing is fast, everything takes time and hard work. So on your fitness journey, whether you're a competitor or just weight loss, you have got to understand that this is a long journey, a very long journey. And life ain't Google. Life ain't microwavable. Get off your ass and just do it. Day after day after day after day. Then hard work will get you what you want. Please hit that like button. Please share this video. Follow me on Instagram at masters_muscle. If you need good nutritional supplements, check out the link below with Evogen. Use my code Jacob10 off. Get 10% off your order and help me out in the same time. But it really helps me out when you hit that like button and you subscribe. Put in a comment. So I'll see you again. This is Jacob Barra.